What I can see here is a chalet. Not secret, like I've been standing with your body face. All the English. What secret, what I can see as a fabrication is nonsensical, insensitive, and absolutely idiotism in the highest order. What secret, I said is not a sense of respect. Whoever fabricated this nonsense, at least take away, there is a chain of a nature. For God's sake,
to encourage the judge. We are here to encourage the Supreme Court. One Nigeria, one nation. What group is this? One Nigeria. Lawyers that are involved in the prosecution of Kanu, we are here to encourage them not to be discouraged and not to be intimidated by these miscreants that go around threatening them. Killing our soldiers, killing our police. We are here to say to them that we that are for them are more than they that are against them. Nigerians are with the security forces, Nigerians are with the police, Nigerians are with the GSS, Nigerians are with the army. It is only Kanu and his cohort that are bent on devising and destroying this country. Nigeria is a united nation, and we are united in one purpose here today to say enough is enough of this madness of IPOB.
Yes, enough is enough. What's your name? My name is what is your name?
Nigeria people.
You're here to support one Nigeria. You are supporting one Nigeria. Okay. Unu afụla otu osisi na ọ bụrụ nke m ga-eji ọnụ kọwawa ihe na-eme ebe a. Mmadụ niile na-afụ otu o si aga. Ọ pụtara na o nwere ndị otu bịalụ ngagharị iwe jilu ọkọlọtọ Naijiria jikwela ihe ederede ka ha bịalụ ndị bịakwara ịkwado Nnamdi Kanu n'ụlọ ikpe anwa sokwele gụwakwa egwu nke ha so otu na-abụọ a na-agụkwasị onwere egwu na-agba egwu anyị ajụbeghị nke awa onye ijụrụ BBC Igbo kwuo n'eziokwu for once. BBC Igbo na-ekwu ọkwa anyị nọ ebe a na-afụ ya ị na-asị BBC Igbo ọkwa mụ na gị na-ebe a mana mụ na gị na-ebe a mana mụ na gị na-ebe a nna biko onye na-ege ntị gee ntị ike gọọmenti sponsọ ọdọ mana mụ na gị na-ebe a ị na-achọ ibo mmiri ọnụ owu Igbo na-ekwu ịbịakwa obi ebe mere mụ na gị na-ebe a oke dịka o si mee ndị bịara ịkwado Nnamdi Kanu n'ụlọ ikpe ebe a na-agụkwa egwu nke ha dịka ihe ha ifu kemgbe ihe ha bido enwebeghị esemokwu pụta n'etiti ndị otu abụọ a na-eme ya n'udo ndị uwe ojii jikwa ebe a dịka ndị ịkwado Nnamdi Kanu ebe ụfọdụ ekwu na ọkpụkpọ gọọmenti bụ dịpụta ndị a mana ha gwabeghị anyị nke anwa onye nke anyị jikwakwa na ajụjụ ọnụ n'ime ha kọwa ihe mere ha ji bịa anyị ga-agachikwe ka anyị chọọ ha ma gọọmenti kpọtara ha ma ha bịa n'aka ha ihe agba ajụjụ ọnụ anyị ga-ajụ ha maka anyị nọ ebe a ihe a na-eme anyị na-anya ebe a ndị abụdụ na-akwado Nnamdi Kanu bịala ụlọ ikpe ha nwa nọbụ ebe a tupu ndị nke a nọ ebe a werupịa jiri egwu ha na akpati ozu ha edegasịrị ihe n'ahụ werupịa ime ihe a
chọọ otu n'ime ndị kpọnda abịa ka ọ gwa anyị ma ọ bụ eziokwu na enyere ha ego ka ha bịa. Can you speak? Can you speak? Who speaks for you? Can you speak? Where's your spokespeople? Where are your spokespeople that speak for you? What is the name of your group? I'm going to find out a spokesperson. Okay, good.
All sections of this country. Everybody is here to show our love, and support our judges. Also, tell the whole world that
Tell me your name and the group you represent.
Okay, my name is Comrade Sunday Atta. I am one of the coordinators of this program, this One Nigerian initiative. I represent the Stand Up Nigerian movement. As you can see, the crowd of Nigerian youth, both IPOB groups and other groups, are gathered here in solidarity with the federal government and in solidarity with what we have all come to the terms with, that Nigeria is for all of us. The unity of this country is not negotiable, and therefore nobody under any guise can spray separatist agenda that will succeed in this country. We are here today to render solidarity support to the federal government and to let them know that we, the youth of this country, have now woken up from our sleep. We have now realized that if we don't rescue our country from the hand of this miscreant, they are going to destroy it even before we wake up from our sleep. Now we are here.
There are accusations from the other quarter that you are sponsored by government.
As you can see, like I told you, we are here today. You can see market women, farmers, and all of them are here. These are the people that are sponsored, came here to make trouble, came here to fight. You can see that most of our people are even market women. They are here and the men sponsored by the IPOB.
What do you hope to achieve?
What we want to achieve here today is to send a note of warning to the IPOB, whatever you call themselves, to whosoever is sponsoring separative agenda in this country. We are here to send a note of warning to them that Nigerians have woken up and we will no longer stay and keep quiet while they destroy our nation. To this end, we are also encouraging President Muhammadu Buhari not to give up in the fight, not to give up in the project of One Nigeria, because he has demonstrated that his unity personified. And so therefore we are here to give also solidarity to all the federal, the judges, the Ministry of Justice, that they should go about prosecuting this matter their way. We have received different news from different quarters how IPOB sponsored talks go about threatening judges, lawyers representing and involved in this matter.
But IPOB always says that that's an accusation that their hands are clean, that they are not involved.
That is if you have followed IPOB carefully, you understand that that is their modus operandi. They have never accepted anything before. Don't forget that when they arrested Nnamdi Kanu, he never accepted that he instigated the people. Why? You see, as a media man, that the videos are everywhere where he was instigating people to burn houses and to kill people. Today, as they brought him to court, he pleaded not guilty to all of this crime that even the blind man is aware of in this country.
So what do you hope to achieve with this?
What we hope to achieve with this movement today is to make sure that justice is served to Nnamdi Kanu. He should not be given any kind of bail whatsoever.
Okay, thank you very much.